Tragedy just happen inside Ikeja. They say train when they convey people, e don comot from the train track. I no know be na driver track e go enter. The thing don comot for there, enter another lane. I no dey understand. Na electric train. Well, be say this man they move with speed. Abi whoever they drive and they carry speed. I no know be na Okada driver. In they try compete with. Because the carry speed when this person they use, I sure say na wetin carry this train comot from im place. And in fact, we suppose just thank God because for a person to survive inside Nigeria, not be smart. In fact, no be beans. We just dey thank God because nothing happened to them. These people, nothing even do them, no scratch at all. But the train still come up from in lane, go enter another place. My people, beg, make na follow me see.
Wahala for Ikeja, na Ikeja we dey so. Train come up for train lane, no. He won't keep people. Train come up for train lane. Thank God for life.
For life, it will waste many people here.
How we won't even pass, go the other side now. See people.
In fact, I really thank God for these people life because if say this thing just go do mistake, go over carry speed from assault, we for just hear another story. Maybe na cry now go dey hear. I been another announcement now we come they give. But I think say federal government they borrow one kind money say they want to do train. Chebi all of na dey here now when they launch train station, build and say they don't fix the basic amenities for the train. No fix. I beg how come? Train where they just buy. If no be second hand train, I been a China train. And I don't go use our money buy fake something, come drop. Say na train. Train never reach 1 month, it don't start to dey spoil. That means if I use them for 1 year, it means everybody go just die. I beg on Nigerian people, I beg on Nigerian government. What are they really use our money for? You know, I go carry Chinese people. Come, say they can't do train. I beg say I know say maybe the train track, maybe the thing don't old, I be don't rust. And I go reason say okay, out of the budget we will give, we could use this money do this one. Or now might not even go. In fact, they don't even think this one. Their own how to inaugurate the place. Carry Buhari come all the way from Abuja. May go open train. We be say una no say una no even buy. I trust everything they put it. They don't even buy the the old ones. Maybe they just paint them. Now they come talk say they don't bring out new thing. In fact, this UA ad will be there every day. Or rich news. If you know hear bad news, you go hear one kind of hear news. We say person never even hear. The kind where things they happen inside this Nigeria, it just make person tired. Nothing they okay inside Nigeria. If today you hear say this one good, we clap hands. When they launch it, all of us happy say yes, so they don't launch them. Now we go see the complaints. The thing where they launch, it don't make sense. Why be saying I do like this? If they want to do something, do one way. We can say yes, the thing when I do, it good. Not be saying I go do something within 1 month, the thing don't spoil it. In fact, this one entire person, people don't they complain. For me, I still thank God say nobody because that Ikeja lane on a no. Now there all these Aba boys, they go sit down for their say they sell clothes, they sell things. Now there be their market lane. So the fact that we say this, you don't even go crush anybody, you don't even wound anybody. In fact, on a suppose go sit down, do Thanksgiving. Give God all our money. We cannot say give God all our money. Make Nasha just go do Thanksgiving one way or the other. To thank God for sparing on our life. But I beg, government people, I beg, make na fix this one. But I don't want to come here say later now, when they say now one request for 1.2 billion. To go fix something, we be saying I don't even start in the first place. Now on our money now go use so. I mean at the old money when they collect. Make Nasha find something do about this matter. My people, I beg, I hear this one. I can't make a bring and come. Make na say this here waiting they happen inside this Nigeria every day. Anything when I feel, make not forget to write them inside the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for the next video. Some adult children have been an adult and even know someone to call them. Then these girls, their mama die for them to carry the mama go mortuary. They say no. Say God tell them say make them no carry and go mortuary. Hey, on they see say things they happen. We gonna say this woman don't die since 9 days ago. Person don't die, don't begin the rotting. Then these girls, because of say God don't tell them, maybe this woman they deal. Now there they keep this woman. Everywhere begin smell. People, I think go past first go, what do they smell like this? If they go ask them, they go to say nothing happen. Now there bless say this smell won't come. The smell won't scatter the whole place. Now there they come force enter then this girl's house. I been a mama house. Before they go see dead body, where don't they rot? Keep the woman there for no reason. Say the Lord say, make them not tell anybody. My people, I beg, make them follow me watch.
She said the police has since been contacted, adding that neighbors want thorough investigation into the incident.
Where you call people now, make them come up and search everywhere. Because you say that their man died for his house.
Oh, na bed or just ground?
They say na ground, they put her. Whether na passage, they don't follow the enter.
Okay. Well, not tell police.
We don't tell police.
The two children, Teresa Zubeiru and Grace Osagede, said God asked them not to tell the neighbors that their mother has died, hence they decided to live with her in the same apartment.
What made you not to tell the people that your mother has died?
The Lord said I shouldn't tell.
Okay.
That's what I initially.
Okay, now that people are aware, what's going to happen now?
It is still in the hands of the Lord.
Is that why you didn't tell people?
Yes, he said that he said the Lord said we should not tell anybody. That is only between me and her.
I beg go this kind Lord. Now Lord of the Ring, I beg which kind Lord tell you this kind one. Or now they see where all this fake vision they start from. I beg go, if so your mama don't begin come on maggot. Now so you go still sit down inside this house. Say God tell you say make you no carry this person go much. See some people thinking this Christianity now they use they scam so many people. I no go even surprise say now one pastor now go tell and say if your mama die, keep am inside house. They use and pray 40 days and 40 nights, no eat. And auntie go sit down. Sit down, they do this kind. I beg, these two women have been our mommies and what even call them. At this age, what do they do for a mama house? Because I expect to see pikin, children, and the rest husband. 12 na sit down, I be the Lord self no permit to make a marry. I be waiting they happen. See some people they go just carry this Lord. Make I never even talk to Jesus because this one no be the Jesus who they serve. I don't know where their own Lord come from. They go carry and put for head like saying that them even create the Jesus. Law where God no even put, they go bring and come. Things where person no even express, this law, God even think they go reason. I just say, what to make them these two women still sit down for their mama house. They feel saying God never show them, I be give them vision of their husband. So they go stay 100 years. Any day where God tell them, okay, now the man was supposed to marry be this, now that day they will come realize, say, time don't go for them. Some people in their heart. But me, the reason say, for this mama to die, they suppose even do investigation. Make it not go be saying that one of these girls now go kill the mama. Maybe by mistake. I be something go lead to something. Mama can't die for them. This girl, they can't they use style. They talk saying, now God, now talk to me, they no reveal out to people say person don't die. So I beg, I want even ask, for how long if you stay inside the house? You yourself when they talk this thing, for how long if you stay? Religion, it don't they make some people, they don't they behave like mental people. They're supposed to carry them, these two sisters, go do their medical checkup. Because some people they don't they sick. And you, your sister, when you dey okay, your sister tell you say, make we hide this thing. God say make we know. You know see am as anything. Your brain no tell you say common sense no tell you say this thing dey wrong. So this one I never even make sense. We supposed carry mama go put for mortuary. Tell family say. So I beg if your family come there to say, where our mama? What you want to say? God don't call her. She disappear. Because you don't want that person say she die. So this is where the thing don't come happen now. What you want to talk? Some people reasoning, I know they understand. But I pray say police, they go do this investigation well. This one will happen inside Benin. Make they do their investigation well. Because if you go be saying something, I lead to something, maybe now then these girls have even killed their mama for one kind purpose. So make they search well before they go release them. These two girls say they won't go leave them. Make they go they do the burial because the burial intentions know their mind. I mean maybe they said the reason say if they talk they will come they come pay for burial money. Maybe they don't get the money. All this one join together and maybe they come say may they put them on a low case. Now what things they really happen inside this Nigeria where we did. If you know here, you know go know say something they happen. I hear this one, I can't make her bring and come on aside, make myself in her ear. Hear what thing they happen. Anything when I fear about this whole matter, what I just talk now, make them not forget to write down for the comment section. Make them also not forget to like and share this video. I go see you on for the next video.